Right now, this trading indicator is going to change the game for everyone that's trading because it's just made it so much simple. I found this, I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and the results are ridiculous. Now, not only that, but they have a free trial, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get that free trial. Before I do, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, here we are. I'm on my TradingView chart. As you can see, the signaler is the indicator. This is one simple indicator. You can probably already use it now. I've shown my 11-year-old and he can even use it as well. Now, nice and simple. I'm going to break it down for you. This one here is called a short. A short is a sell and a long is a buy. Nice and simple. Nice and easy. Okay, so when you get this short signal appear, you can also set alerts. I will be showing you that as well, so stay tuned. All we do is we take a purchase when it says short. The stop loss will go up to the red line, and then your take profit can be anywhere. Me personally, I like to target the lows, so this one would have been a nice healthy 2.1%. If I would have risked $1,000 on this trade, I would have made $2,000 back. Now, as you can see, this is still going, so it's currently hit a risk to reward of 3%, which is basically $3,000 if you've put $1,000 on. Now, as we go here, we can see that they also provided a long, which a long, as you can probably guess, is a buy. Now, this one goes to the low of there. So this one sadly would have tapped us out before absolutely rocketing up to nearly 5%. So obviously it's not 100% accurate, but it will win more times than it loses. And let's be honest, if you see an indicator that tells you it's 100% accurate, it's 100% a scam. The markets aren't that predictable. Now, what we can see here, another short, we do it at the close of this candle where the indicator is, and then we put it on the line above, and then like I said, we can target the previous low. The low's there, as you can see, it wicked down for 4%. Now another one, this one's just a nice little easy long, so we take it when the signal is presented. There we can target the highs, that's 0.86, so you would have guaranteed profit. If you were targeting these highs, then obviously you would have been stopped out as well. Now this one long, you can see that this one was successful as well. Okay, so if we were to show you this one, this long was on that candle, the stop loss would be on that line, and then let's just see what the profit was if you were to have held this for that long. Okay, so all the way up to here, a massive 15%. That's if you risk $1,000, you'll be getting $15,000 back. Nice and simple, like I said. Now, I mentioned the alerts. All you have to do is right click on the alert, add alert on the signaler, click create. Now, what that means is when one of these signals appear, you will get an alert on your TradingView, whether it's on your mobile or if it's on PC, laptop, any of that, you'll get a notification. You'll come on, set that up, and then you're away. This is on the daily time frame, so you have plenty of time to execute the trade. It won't just run off like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute intervals, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how to get this bot. All you have to do is head on to Telegram. Link will be down in the description. They have a nice, easy, the signaler bot where you can run it through. You can pick from free trial, monthly option, or a lifetime option, which is what I did. Right now, there we have it, guys. Once we load into the signaler bot, you will see it will come up with an option to press start. Now, once you've done that, it gives you the free options I was telling you about. You've got your 1 day free, a monthly plan, and also lifetime plan. Now, personally, definitely go ahead with the free trial. You get access to everything. You can see how it works, see it live in the flesh. And then personally, I went for the lifetime option. I'm going to be showing you that option. So you have to do is click lifetime plan and then click to pay by crypto. And then you'll be sent over to this. It will automatically do the start bit for you. It says choose a cryptocurrency to pay the invoice number you've just created. And then you can pick. So if you have a lot of Trump coin after that big spike, you can click Trump. And then all it will do is it will say you pay $350 US, the signaler. Are you sure you want to pay this invoice? Yep, pay now. You can either generate a QR code or it gives you the contract address here. Simply click on it. It will be copied to the clipboard. Head on over to your wallet and then copy and paste directly. And it tells you to send 29.4606 Trump to receive the coins. Now, once they've done that, they will obviously find the crypto and they will get you set up with that TradingView indicator. Now, there you have it, guys. That was the signaler TradingView indicator that will make your life 10 times easier, giving those buy and sell signals, setting those alerts. So you literally get a notification on your phone and then you can be away, take that trade and get on with your day, start making money with other stuff. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.